Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken lava in Minecraft. Begin by planning a secure build area away from flammable structures and mobs. Gather a lava bucket, eggs, glass, hoppers, chests, and building blocks. I will walk you through building a containment pit, placing lava safely, and automating egg collection with hoppers. Stay patient and pause when needed so you can replicate each step without risking your world or items. In this video, I will show how to make chicken lava in Minecraft. Mark a 5x5 base and clear terrain around it. This gives space for lava flow and safety perimeters. Gather materials like glass, slabs, hoppers, chests, fencing, and a bucket of lava before you start building. I'll describe placing blocks to funnel eggs, using hoppers to collect automatically, and arranging barriers so chickens don't wander into lava prematurely. In this video, I will show how to make chicken lava in Minecraft. Quick recommendation: if you like reading guides while you play, pick up the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and long battery life. It feels perfect for taking Minecraft notes on the couch. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. And if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make chicken lava in Minecraft. Dig a 2-block deep central pit and line the floor with non-flammable blocks. Put glass or slabs around the edge to keep chickens contained and visible. Pour 1 bucket of lava into the pit center and test flow with a temporary block. Place a hopper under an adjacent block to collect eggs into a chest. I'll explain timing and spawn control for steady production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.